What's happening when I experience deja vu? Because of how the physical brain and mind work, we can only experience time in a linear fashion while we are awake. Meaning we experience time moving forward, minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day, and so on. But linear time is an illusion within our physical experience here on Earth. The past and future only exist as another vantage point of the present. In other words, past, present, and future exist simultaneously as an infinite number of possibilities. One of the representations the ancients used to symbolize this idea was water. There are so many minute possibilities, you can only know the particular experience you're having. Every other possibility all melt together until we are attracted into our experience. In modern science, the same idea is represented by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which states the more you know about the position of a particle, or in our case, an event or experience, the less you can know where it is. In other words, the possibilities are endless until we experience it. Time is simply a marker. We can think of the events we'll manifest in our life as a series of markers or a timeline that's bound associatively by frequency. You experience the true nature of time when you're dreaming, and it feels like hours and days have passed in the dream, but only a few minutes have passed on your clock when you awaken. Hopefully, with that metaphysical explanation of how time exists, or should I say, how you actually exist in time, let's talk about what's happening with deja vu. Deja vu is about your recognition of jumping timelines. We have multiple probabilities to choose from when we're manifesting our desires. You attract out of the ocean of possibilities the events that you vibrationally resonate with according to your intention and desires. You'll notice deja vu most when you've actively set your intentions or desires to manifest something. And it's working. It's a positive thing, and it means you were on a different timeline or track, and you jump to a new one that's moving toward what you desire to manifest. When you shift and jump to a different track or possibilities to your desired reality is when you recognize the fork in the timeline we call deja vu. It's at that point you recognize the jump and shift closer to the new possibilities you created out of infinite potentials. This is actually a spiritual experience when it happens. It's soul-level perception. Deja vu means you've tapped into the God self and sensing its multidimensional perception. It's fascinating. But that's what's happening with deja vu. You should be excited when deja vu happens. It's a positive thing and means you're tapping into your God or goddess capabilities. As gods and goddesses in training, it means you're on the right path when you're living life and manifesting by design rather than by default. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.